some super simple guitar. In today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to play a really cool song from Bad Company called Feel Like Making Love. I remember being at a motorcycle festival when I was 16 or 17, and there was this really awesome band playing the song live, and that's the first time I heard it, and I remember it just blowing me away. I really love how it starts off acoustically, and then there's this, you can play it like this too. So that's what we're going to be learning today. Before we get into the lesson, I'm just going to show you a quick little magic trick. Check it out. It didn't work. One more time. Quick little magic trick. There we go. If you want to get the downloadable version of this book that'll teach you all the chords you're ever going to need to know, there's a link for that under this video. Alright, let's get into the lesson. I'll see you in the close-up. See you there. Alright, so we're starting off down here on the 10th fret. Okay, so I'm barring down on the 1st and the 2nd string, 10th fret. Then with my middle finger, I'm coming down on the 3rd string, 11th fret. Okay, and we're going down, down. Okay, and then we're going to take this exact same shape and move it 2 frets further down, right? So now I'm on the 8th fret. And now we're going to do a down, up, down. So let's down, 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 up, down. One more time, real slow. Down, 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 up, down. And I'm trying to hit these 3 strings. If you're on an acoustic guitar, you could hit that D string too. It wouldn't sound bad, but we're kind of really going for these strings for the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd one. Okay. And then we're going to move into a D shape. So as if you were playing a D major, just we're going to play it, my 1st and my 3rd finger are on the 7th fret. And now I'm just kind of doing like a down, down, up, and then I'm adding in a sus4 kind of looking chord, right? So I'm adding my pinky, so that's, okay, so down, down, up, add pinky, remove pinky. And then just kind of keep strumming along there. So, okay, and you can really be free with this. You know, experiment with adding in that note, taking it out. You know, do your own thing with it. So, down, 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 up, down, and that happens a 2nd time. Down, 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 up, down. And now, instead of releasing after we add this note, we're going straight to a D major, okay? So the whole thing really slowly, down, 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 up, down. Okay, and that's how our intro ends, okay? One thing that you're gonna have to be careful about, and that I'm also fighting with here, is when you hold these notes down, it's really easy to bend them and make the guitar sound like it's out of tune. So you're going to want to be as relaxed as possible and really try to be conscious of keeping these strings in tune. Okay? So, just a little something to think about. Again, I'm playing this on electric guitar, which I kind of shouldn't be doing. I should be doing it on an acoustic. And with an acoustic, you'll have thicker strings, so probably you won't even be having this problem. I have 9, so I have to be really careful here to try to stay in tune. Okay? Alright, so that's the intro. Once you've played the intro, so let me play the whole intro one more time, just so you can hear the whole thing in context. And then we're going to learn the chorus, the main, not the chorus, the verse, the main chord progression. Okay, so one more time, intro. Down, 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 up, down. Okay, one more time. And again, experiment with this, do your own thing with it, okay? Listen to the song, play around with it. We want to be creative when we play the guitar, okay? Alright, so now into the verse. So we're going to be going down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. This is just a simple strumming pattern you can do. Down, 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 up, down, down. you could also go. So it would be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So those two would work really well. Experiment with both of them. Do your own thing with it, as I always encourage, okay? So I'm just going to keep it simple for now. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And this is going to happen a couple of times, right? Okay, so that's really what's happening in your verse of the song. And then it goes into the distorted part. That's going to sound like this. Sorry about that. Let me get into focus here. All right, so there's a couple of ways that you could play this. I'm right now using power chords, and that's the first way I'm going to show you. And then I'm going to show you how you could also play it using this D shape here. And I actually think that's what they're doing, but I really like this power chord thing here. Okay, so I'm starting off on a C power chord. Again, if you don't know the names of these chords, I teach all of that in the downloadable picture chord book. So if you want to know how to name power chords and everything like that, and really master the fretboard, that's all in the free book, okay? Okay, so we're going to be playing the C power chord here. So I'm playing it, and then I'm sliding kind of into the 5th fret. I'm not actually doing a slide, but I'm very quickly going into the 5th fret, so that's, and it's down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so, all right, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, and then I'm going from a C to a G. Okay. And this is a D here. So I'm going C to the D, C, G. All right, so we play it 3 times. 4th time it has this happening, okay? All right, so that's the first way you could play it. The second way would be to hold down a D chord, a D sus2 chord. Like a D sus2 chord looking chord, right? Without my middle finger there, but I'm actually muting out the 1st string, okay? And that's giving me a power chord since I only have the 1st and the 5th in there, okay? So I'm really going for the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string, okay? And then for our C, we're just playing the note C. So we're going. So I'm just playing this note here, 5th string, 3rd fret. Then I'm doing an upstroke, kind of going for, I don't even know what strings I'm going for. You can really hit anything when we're talking about what to go for, but you want to aim for kind of 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? We're muting out the 6th and the 1st string, okay? I guess I'm really going more for these higher strings, so 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So I'm hitting the bass, doing an upstroke on that 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. You could hit the 5th string. So, and then when we go down again, we're really kind of aiming for the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. You could hit the 5th string as well. It sounds pretty fat with that A in there. Or you could mix it up. You could hit only 3 strings sometimes. You could hit all 4 strings sometimes. Play with it. See what your ear likes, okay? So, now I'm going into that C, looking like chord, right? C add 9. And then I'm going up to the G. So C, again, really aiming for 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th string. When I go to the G, also aiming for the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 6th string. And what I'm actually doing is I'm muting out the 5th string. And the way I'm doing that is I'm just releasing tension. So I'm still touching the string, but I'm not pushing down. Now I'm pushing. This is how it sounds like when I'm pushing. And this is how it sounds when I just mute it. If that's muted, that's with the note. Muted, note. So it makes it sound a little bit less muddy when I mute out the 5th string, okay? So and then there's this little walk down. Feel like making love to you. That leads us back into the verse. Okay, so let me show you that little walk down. So it's just this note here, 3rd fret, down to the 2nd fret, to the G note, which is 6th string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 1st fret, and then back into that D power chord. So feel like making love to. You could do a little bit of a bend on this one, and then back to that D power chord. That looks like a D sus2, but it's really a power chord because I'm muting out this string, okay? Okay, and then it just goes back into the verse. So that's really the entire tune. Play along with this. I'm actually gonna play for you now just a little bit so you can kind of try to play along with me and get it into your ear, okay? So let's just do it including the intro, okay? So down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down. This happens for a long time. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, now we're gonna do it. Okay, second way would be to go. Back into the verse, okay? So I hope that this made sense. If it did, let me know. If it didn't, let me know what's missing. I'm always trying to be a better teacher. If you like this lesson, let me just focus on my face here. If you like this lesson, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you very soon with a new lesson. All right, see you there, and then bye-bye.